This is a word problem in addition. So first you have to read word problem first. In a country there are 1 crore 55 lakhs 64,868 men, 1 crore 22 lakhs 792 women, and 96 crore 85,985 children. So what is the total population he is asking. Total population means we have to add. Total, whenever total will come, we have to add. So then how? First we have to add what is there in population? Men, women and children. So all these three we have to add. Then we will get final answer, that is our total population. So how to start? Then word problem. First we should write the steps. Steps are very important. First, number of men. Number of men. 1 crore 55 lakhs 64,868. Then after that, number of women. Number of women. Number of women 1 crore 22 lakhs 792. Number of children. Number of children. 96 lakhs. Here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. We start from here. 96 lakhs 85,985. Now we have to find the sum. Then first write place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Now we are going to start addition from ones place. Ones digit to crores. Starts from here. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is a double digit number. Then 5 is here and 1 is very next place, that is tens place. On the top of very next place. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 is a double digit number. Then 4 here and 2 very next place, that is in hundreds place. Then 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 9, 17 plus 9, 26. 26 is a double digit number. Then 6 here and 2 very next place value, that is 1000 place value. Then 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 is a double digit number. Then in 11 1 is here and one more one very next place value, that is 10,000s place. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15. In 15 5 here and 1 is very next to the place, that is lakhs place. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 is a double digit number and 4. In 14 4 here and 1 is very next to the place, that is 10 lakhs place. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9, 20. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 is a double digit number. So 7 is here and 1 is very next place, that is crores place. Crores place. Then in crores place 1, 1, 1, 3 ones. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3. So this is the total population. Total population 3 crore 74 lakhs 51,645. This is total population of the country. Total population of the country. Total population of the country. Therefore, this is the total population of the country. First, so whenever the word problem is given, so first we have to read the word problem first, then after that we have to understand the problem, then after that prepare our steps, then after that if addition is there, then add, and the final answer whatever. Again we have to write the steps, what is the conclusion step. This is the, in our question, this is our conclusion step. Population is asking population. This is the total population of the country. Country population he is asking, that step we have to write as a conclusion step. This is step by step, step by step, step by step. We have to write all these steps and conclusion step also. One more question is there. So one more question. So in this word problem, one more word problem is given in your textbook. In that you have to do as your home assignment. That is your home assignment. Yes, now here. So before we discuss addition, so addition of larger number, now we are going to discuss subtraction of larger numbers. Larger number, how to subtract larger numbers. So first, before going to start, once we recapitulate, so what it is called? It is called minuend, it is called subtrahend, it is called difference. The answer is called difference. Minuend is always bigger than, minuend is always bigger than the subtrahend and also difference. This you have to remember. Minuend, this is minuend is always, the first one is always, first row is always bigger than the second, and the difference, last answer. So now 5 minus 5, same minus same, same number minus same number, we get answer 0. This is bigger number, minuend is bigger, subtrahend is smaller, no need to take power and all. So then 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, here 0, 0 is the minuend and this is subtrahend. Then minuend is less, whenever minuend is less, then we take borrow from the next place value from here. So from here, if you are taking borrow, the 0 will come 10, then this will becomes 3. Then so it is 10 and it is 7. Now it is bigger than, 10 is bigger than this, means minuend is bigger than subtrahend. Then we can minus. 10 minus 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, 10 minus 7, 3, sorry, 10 minus 7 is 3, and here, after that 3 is here and 7 is here. This is minuend, this is subtrahend. Minuend is smaller, then again we have to take borrow. We have to take borrow from the next number, left side digit from here. From here, if you are taking borrow from here, 3 will become 13 and it's 3. Now this is 13, minuend is 13 and subtrahend is 7. Now minuend is bigger. Then 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7 is what? That is 6. Then after that, here minuend is 3 and subtrahend is 1. Minuend is bigger, no need to take borrow. Then 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then after that, here 2. 2 is a minuend and 5 is a subtrahend. Then minuend is smaller, then again we have to take borrow from. So it will become 12, it becomes 3. Then 12 minus 5, 12 minus 5 is how much? 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then here minuend and subtrahend both are same. Same minus same, answer is 0. Same minus same is 0. Then after that, this here 0. and 6. Minute is lesser. If minute is lesser, again we take power from next place. From here, so it becomes 10. So it becomes 8. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 and 6. 8 is a bigger number, bigger minus smaller. Minute is bigger, no need to take anything. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. This is the ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousand, this is 10,000, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh. Crore, 10 crore. Here comma, here comma, here comma. Then 24 crores, 7 lakhs, 26,340. This is a difference. So these two, in subtrahend and difference, both are lesser than this minute. Lesser than this minute. But formula is that for getting minute, we have to add subtrahend and difference. If we add subtrahend and minute, subtrahend and difference, we get minute. So this formula is there, this learn in our previous classes. Then how to get, if two things were given, subtrahend and difference, then how to find minute? We have to add this subtrahend and difference in the previous classes we learned. Yes, now we are going to discuss the properties of subtraction. So what are the properties in subtraction? First one, if suppose 5 minus 3 is there. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here the order 5 is first and 3 is next. The order 5 minus 3 is 2. In the subtraction, order cannot be changed. Order cannot be changed. Like 3 minus 5. No, it is not equal to 2. It is not equal to 2. It is not equal to 2. So in the subtraction, whatever the order is there, so the order is constant. There is no change in the order. Not to change the orders. Why? Because in the subtraction, minute is always bigger than the subtrahend. So that is why. So we cannot change. We cannot change the order of the subtraction. In subtraction, we cannot change the order. Then second, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 1 is subtracted from 5. 1 is subtracted from 5. Then what we get? 4. What is this 4? This 4. What is this 4? This 4. Successor and predecessor. In addition, if we add plus 1, then we get successor. But if we take minus 1, then we get predecessor of that number. 4 is the predecessor of 5. So in the same way, 293 minus 1. From 293, so in 293, so we take minus 1, then what we will get? 292. This is the predecessor of 293. This is the predecessor of 293. 292 and 293. So if we make minus from any number, then we will get predecessor of that number. Remember this. Then third, same number and minus same number. The number itself minus. Then what we will get? 0. So if we minus the fourth, 3 properties over. First property, bigger means minute minus subtrahend is a difference. This order cannot be changed in subtraction. And one more, if 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. If any number is from any number, if minus 1 is subtracted, 1 is subtracted, then we will get the predecessor of that number. And again, if same number minus itself, then we will get the same. The number itself we make minus, then we get 0. This is the third property. And fourth property, 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. From any number, if 0 is subtracted, then we will get the same answer. So here remember, here this is the minute, this is the subtrahend. Minute is bigger. From any number, 0 is subtracted, then we will get the same number. Here order in difference in subtraction, order cannot be changed. It means 0 minus 5, it's not possible, it's not correct, it's not correct. What? 5 minus 0 is 5, 0 minus 5, it's not correct. So order cannot be changed in difference, in subtraction. So these are the 4 properties in subtraction. First property, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. In subtraction, order cannot be changed. Order cannot be changed. Here 5 minus 3 is 2, 3 minus 5, it's not possible, it's not correct. Why? Because minuend is always bigger than the subtrahend. Then second, if 1 is subtracted from any number, then we will get the predecessor of that number, For example, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is the predecessor of 5. Then 293 minus 1. Here 1 is subtracted from 293, then we will get 292. This 292 is the predecessor of 293. In the third, if same number and same number itself minus, the same number minusing itself, then we will get answer 0. This is the third property. Then fourth property, from any number 0 is subtracted from any number, then you will get same number. These four properties you have to remember in subtraction. In subtraction, these 4 properties are important. Remember these 4 properties. Now here the combination of addition and subtraction together is given. The combination here 54,872, 6,47,587. These two we have to add first, and after whatever is answer, so from that answer we have to minus this one. 3,42,651. First we have to add this both, first and second. Total how many digits we have to count first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 5 digits, here we have 6 digits. It is better to take first bigger number. Or otherwise, if you are going to take smaller, that is your wish. So it is better, it is very convenient, it is very easy if you are going to write the bigger number first. What is the bigger number here? So this one, 6,47,587. This one. Then after that smaller number, 54,872. Now we have to add this both. Addition is given in between this, means we have to add. First we have to write the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is lakh. These are the place values. Now we have to add all these place values from right to left, means from ones place to lakhs place. Then starts from here. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is a single digit number. Then same. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 is a double digit number. Then we take 5 here and 1 very next place, that is hundreds place. Now add this. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 is a double digit number. So 4 here and 1 here. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 is a double digit number. Then 2 here and 1 keep on top of thousands place, 10,000 place. Then 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 is also double digit number. Then 0 here and 1 here. 6 plus 1 7. Then this is the sum of these two numerals. The first numeral, second numeral. So then 6,47,587, 54,872 answer is 7,02,459. This is our sum. Then from this answer we make minus this one. So what? 3,42,651. Then minus. This is minus. Then This is the minuend, this is the subtrahend. Minuend, here minuend is bigger. 9 minus 1 is 8. Minuend and subtrahend, the both are same. Same minus same is 0. Same minus same is 0. Means if minuend and subtrahend both are same, according to our rules, if both were same, then answer is 0. Then here, minuend is less, then take borrow from here. So it becomes 14, becomes 1. Becomes 1. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now here 1. 1 and 2. Minuend is less, again we have to take borrow. Borrow from here. 7. 7 comes 6 and 1 comes 10. And from here again we take borrow from this comes 9 and this becomes 11. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. 11 minus 2 is 9. And 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. This is minuend. Minuend is bigger. No need to take. Then again already we took borrow. So 59 and 6 minus 3 is 3. This is 3,59,808. Then again this is the minuend. Minuend is bigger. No need to take borrow. 9 minus 1 is 8. This minuend and subtrahend both are same. The answer is 0. Minuend is lesser. Then you take borrow from here. It becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. It becomes 1. Then 1 and 2. 1 is lesser than, again we should take borrow from here. From here to here 10, and from this again 10 becomes 9. So from here this becomes 11. Now it is bigger. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9, and 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5, and 6 minus 3 is 3. This is our final answer. This is our final answer. This is the addition. This is the addition. These two they are added. So which one? This numeral and this numeral. So in these two numerals, this is the bigger one. This is the smaller one. It is better if you take bigger one first and smaller one next. Otherwise, that is your wish. If you want to take smaller also, it's okay, no problem. If order changed, no problem in addition. So this is our sum of these two numerals. After getting the sum of these two, again we have to make minus. This is our minus. This is our minus. After making minus, 3,59,808. This is our final answer. Now students, here two questions given in this. So in this, what we have to do? Subtract each of the following, the first and the second. So here order cannot be changed in the subtraction order. So this is the first, this is the second. In addition, the order will change. So that depends on us. If smaller number will comes first, then the greater number will come after, then we can arrange first bigger and smaller, like that. We can change in addition, but in subtraction, whatever order is given, that order we have to follow. That order we have to follow. Here, this is the first and this is the second. How many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First you take first. So what is the first number here? 5,46,763. The second number, 3,57,875. Now, after this, we have to write the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So this is our minus. This is our minus. Then first, this is called minuend, this is subtrahend. Minuend is always bigger. Here, in ones place 3 and 5 is there. 3 is smaller. Whenever smaller number is there in minuend, so we have to take borrow from the next place, that is from tens place. From here. Here to here we are taking borrow. So 3 becomes 13 and 6 becomes 5. 13 and 5. So then from 13 we have to make minus 5. 5. From 5 to 13, 6 to 13 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 8. Total 8. Means 13 minus 5 is 8. Then after tens place, here 5 is there and here 7 is there. 5 is less and 7 is bigger, mean minus is less value. Again we have to take borrow from next. From here the 7 becomes 6 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7. From 8 to 15 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then after 6 and 8. 6 is a minute, minute is smaller. Again we have to take borrow from the next place, that is thousands place. Then it becomes 5, it becomes 16. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 means from 9 to 16 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again 8. Again 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Then after that 5 and 7. 5 is a lesser, means minus is less value. Again we take borrow from next. From next place is 10,000. From here to here it becomes 15, it becomes 3. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is how much? Here 7, you count from 8 to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again 8. Again 8. 8 here. And here 3 and 5. This is the minute is smaller. If minute is smaller, again we take borrow from next place. What is from lakhs place? From here it's become 13, it's become 4. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 means from 6 to 13 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, again 8, again 8. Then after that here 4. 4 is a minute and 3 is a subtrahend. Minute is bigger, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is our answer. 1,88,888. This is our difference. This is the minute, this is the subtrahend, this is the difference. The same way, the next question. In the next question also we have to find the difference. Next question, so this is the minute, this is the subtrahend. So the order cannot be changed in subtraction. So but in addition, already we discussed in addition, so the order will change. The addend, how you can write the distribution, that depends on you. But in subtraction, whatever order he has given, we have to follow the same order only. This is first, this is second. First means minor, second means subtrahend. Minor is always greater. So now how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. That means 98,43,275 is our first, that is minor. And what is our subtrahend? 39,67,908. This is our subtrahend, minor and subtrahend. Now you take 98,43,275. Then 39,67,908. This is our subtrahend. Then first place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Now here 5 and 8 it starts from ones to 10 lakh, means we move from right to left. Starts from here 5 and 8. 5 is a minute is a smaller value. So then we take borrow from next place value, that is from tens. Then it becomes 6 and it becomes 15. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 means from 9 to 15 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then 6 minus 0. So in our property of the subtraction we discuss. So if from any number, if 0 is subtracted, we will get the same number only. Here the same thing, 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0 is 6 only. Then the next, hundreds place. 2 is there and 9 is there. 2 is smaller than this. Means minor is smaller value. Minor is smaller means we take borrow from next place. Next place from here, thousands place. If we are taking borrow from the next 2, we will get 12 and 3 will get 2. Here 1 place, here 10 more. Then 12. 12 minus 9 means from 10 to 12 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 3. That is 12 minus 9 is 3. Then after that, here 2 and here 7. 2 is a minor is smaller. Again we have to take power from the next place, that is 10,000s place. 2 gets 12 and 3. 4 will comes 3. Then 12 minus 7. From 12, if minus 7, then what? From 8 to 12, count it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Then after that, here 3 is there and here 6 is there. Then 3 minus 6 is not possible. Why? Because this is the minor. Minor is lesser than the subtrahend. So again we take borrow from next place. From here lakhs place. Then 3 comes 13 and 8 comes 7. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 means from 7 to 13 we have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7. The next. Here 7 and 9. 7 is lesser means less value. Minor is less. Again we have to take power from next place. That is from 10 lakhs place. 7 comes 17 and 9 comes 8. Then 17 minus 9. From 10 to 17 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. 8. And after that 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. 8 is a greater value. So just you count from 4 to 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. This is our difference. This is our difference. 58 lakhs 75,367. In this way we have to make minus and do our sum. This is the procedure how to do minus, means difference.